Okay, I'd like to go over a couple things that will be in the videos of installing that I probably don't go into enough depth, and just to kind of do a little bit of clarification. One of them is aligning these cable holds. If you look at these two posts, you can see they're different widths, the bases are different. So if you line up off the base, you're not going to have these cable holes straight, and these cable holes should be straight together in line with one another. So an easy way to do that is just use any kind of masking tape, take about a foot or so of it, and mark the holes down to the base. So what I do is I just center up on a few of those holes and go all the way down to the base, and that gives me a good reference point to measure off of, so I'm not guessing. Kind of like that. And so let me set this post down. And then do the other one. Same way, just line up on the holes there, go down to the base. And it doesn't have to be perfect, but pretty close, and that gives it to us. So that gives us a point to measure from the edge of our deck to the center, so we can keep these holes all in alignment. So what we do on something like this is just an example, but if we set it like that, set our other post here, which these will be further apart in real life, but just for reference point here right now. So then I can measure over from the edge of this deck to this post, and it's 4 inches here. So then I can go to this post that's right behind it, and I can measure over 4 inches, and that way my cable holes is all in alignment like they should be. And that's real important to do, because not only does it matter for the cable holes, it also matters for the handrail itself. One of the other tips, when we square the post up to the deck, because we don't want to have these posts set at an angle or something like that, is just take a speed square, put it on the edge and put it right back, and make sure it's parallel to the post base here. And so that keeps us running nice and straight on our line. So if we do that, it's just a real simple, easy way to square that up. Works well, so just a tip. Thanks.